Number 2, destiny. As the perfect helpmate, you are the ideal mate, friend, or employee. For this reason, it is best to always follow the well-trodden path and leave the trailblazing to others. You can profit by their mistakes and wisely make the necessary corrections as you go along. Disharmony and unpleasant situations disturb you greatly, and therefore you go out of your way to keep peace and calm troubled waters. Your concern and consideration for others brings you a host of friends whom you appreciate and treasure. 2 outstanding traits that count heavily toward the attainment of anything you desire are your diplomacy and tact. You can do things so gracefully that they're never as much of a problem in getting your own way. The keynote of your success is cooperation. Therefore, you are most successful when completing the plans or executing the directives of others who are less capable of handling the organization in detail. It is best not to attempt to originate ideas or businesses on your own. Always agreeable, charming, and friendly, you impress people immediately. You draw out the silence and give solace to the troubled. You will go through life with great grace as a result. Calmly and intelligently, you will master any group or environment without friction. You need never lack for the finer things in life, even though you are not aggressive. Your great power of concentration and cooperation will draw to you without much effort the rewards that others have to search for. This rhythm is very necessary to your contentment. You have an unusual spirit of independence that makes you the perfect helpmate, yet completely self-sufficient if you need to be. You can easily and most satisfactorily take over a business responsibilities when left in charge, or those of a household when your mate is elsewhere. You prefer to act in concert with either a partner, employee, or mate, where your duty is to carry out their directives. However, this same sense of cooperation and understanding also makes you quite efficient in whatever you undertake in a managerial capacity. Yet, in most cases, your success will lie in assisting rather than directing. Should an idea in its raw state be presented to you, you would most likely bring it to life and make it workable. This is a good quality to have, since much of your life will be spent in the employ of others. It will be your nature to forgive and understand easily, which again makes you the perfect mate. Should there be trouble within your marriages, chances are that you will be the one to make sacrifices or compromises in order to overcome it. The great powers you have been bestowed with allow you to forgive any transgression on the part of your mate, but you must take care to avoid being so forgiving that the transgressions become a habit on their part. Negatively, in your effort to please, you can too easily be influenced against your better judgment. You can also be moody and undecided, not to mention oversensitive. There are times when your uncertainty allows others to get the best of you, and this could make you resentful.